Unit 11. Let's make a cake.
What do we need?
We need flour, sugar, milk, butter, eggs.
How much sugar?
A cup of sugar.
How many eggs?
2 eggs. Let's make a cake.
What do we need?
We need 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar.
How much milk?
1 cup of milk.
How many eggs?
We need 4 eggs.
Anything else?
Butter. We need 1 cup of butter.
We're going to make a cake.
Yum!
Amal, put 1 cup of sugar in the bowl. And I'm going to add 1 cup of butter. Amal, add 3 eggs and mix with a spoon. Okay. Hala, put 2 cups of flour in the bowl. Good girls. Now add 2 spoons of nuts, Hala.
Done. Can I mix it?
Yes. That's good.
One.
Put 1 cup of sugar in the bowl.
2.
Add 1 cup of butter.
3.
Add 3 eggs.
4.
Mix with a spoon.
5.
Put 2 cups of flour in the bowl.
6.
Add 1 spoon of nuts. Mix.
Put the butter in the bowl. Add the sugar in a cup. Add the eggs, milk and flour and mix it all up. Put it in the oven. Now wait and wait. Is it ready? Yes, it is. What a lovely cake!
Track 21.
How much flour do we need?
We need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and a cup of milk.
How many eggs do we need?
2 eggs.
Anything else?
Chocolate.
So, what do we do?
Put the sugar and butter in the bowl. Mix.
Okay.
Add the eggs and the flour. Then add the milk.
Done.
Add the chocolate. Mix. Put the cupcakes in the oven. Cook for 15 minutes.